Welcome to the Daily Forkast, October 11th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forecast News, covering all things blockchain. Now, despite a rough start to crypto trading Monday morning Asia time, there were a few notable exceptions, with one token in particular making real ground. That was the altcoin Stacks. It gained over 70% in the past 24 hours to Sunday night. We're going to dive into what drove that surge and a whole lot more coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. First up, while Bitcoin traded steadily down less than 1% Monday morning Asia time, Stacks' recent push into Bitcoin NFTs has seen its price soar. Sunday night saw it hit a high of $2.45 before it settled around the $2.10 mark on Monday morning. Forecast News' Lachlan Keller takes a look at the latest trending altcoin.
Stacks is a smart contract layer built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. That means it offers much of the functionality of smart contract-enabled Ethereum with the added security of Bitcoin. It does this by running the smart contract application on its own network, but settles them on the Bitcoin network. This allows non-fungible tokens, which have largely been the domain of Ethereum, to be run on Bitcoin. And that's generated a great deal of interest in Stacks' own NFT marketplace. But one expert warns.
Generally, I think it's good from a security point of view. For it to really take hold and for it to really mature, it's definitely going to take more years of development, of research, of education. So to be honest, this rally that saw STX go up by so much, I would say is a little bit premature. And so generally, I think investors ought to be a little bit more cautious.
Various layer 2 applications like Stacks have been implemented on top of the Bitcoin network of late to address some of the shortcomings of the network, notably its transaction speed. For Forecast News, I'm Lachlan Keller.
Meanwhile, Samsung Next has invested over $150 million in Sky Mavis' Series B funding round. While it may initially seem no surprise for a big player like the investment arm of Korea's electronics giant to make such a move, what makes it interesting is the fact that Sky Mavis is best known as the developer of NFT-based game Axie Infinity, and NFT-based games are currently banned in Korea. Forecast News' Danny Park reports.
Samsung, the leading South Korean conglomerate, has shown a lot of interest in NFTs lately, and its latest move was placing $152 million funding for Sky Mavis through Samsung Next. Given the global surge in popularity of blockchain-based games like Axie Infinity, such investments are hardly a surprise, but things are quite different in Samsung's home base, South Korea. Korea's Game Rating and Administration Committee currently refuses to give age ratings to any game developed using blockchain technology, saying that the rewards gained, which may include NFTs, could encourage speculative behavior. But many gaming industry members argue that in-game rewards and items are already being liquidated and traded among users in non-blockchain games, so that's not a good enough reason to stump the sector's growth. One expert tells Forecast News that he thinks the ban on blockchain-based games will be lifted or at least eased in the future.
지금 정부에서는 메타버스라는 이슈 때문에 그 부분들을 포함해서 우선 가상자산의 소유권, 가상자산의 어떤 가치의 이전 이런 부분에 대한 부분들을 굉장히 긍정적으로 다각도로 검토를 하고 있는 부분일 거다. 그래서 그 부분에 대한 결론들이 게임에도 나름대로 긍정적인 시그널을 줄 수 있는 부분이 올 수 있을 거다.
However, Kim agrees with the regulators that the speculative elements which currently exist in blockchain games need to be eliminated for the industry to move forward. For Forecast News, I'm Danny Park.
And finally today, China's clampdown on cryptocurrency mining continues to bite. The country's latest move could see crypto mining labeled as outdated, and that would mean ongoing harsher restrictions for the industry. China's National Development and Reform Commission and the Ministry of Commerce have asked for comment on crypto mining in their latest draft market access negative list document. Now, if the document is passed by the government, policy support will be given to authorities to help further crackdowns. That means investment will be prohibited, no administrative approval will be given, and electricity prices for the industry will be increased. Looks like those tough times are showing no sign of letting up for anyone involved in crypto mining in China. And that's the Daily Forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit forecast.news. I'm Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.